You can use the Grok Voice Agent API inside Voximplant's voice AI orchestration platform to place and receive calls from phone numbers, WhatsApp, SIP, and WebRTC. In this video, we will show you how to use Voximplant to add Grok to outbound calls. Outbound calling typically starts with a server-side signal to initiate a call to a specific number or list. VoxEngine, our serverless voice AI orchestration runtime, then initiates a call to the user. When the user answers, VoxEngine uses the Grok Voice Agent API to establish a WebSocket connection with the AI agent. VoxEngine handles all media conversion and lets you control the interaction in code. Before we proceed, make sure to get an API key from console.x.ai. Now let's go to the Voximplant portal at manage.voximplant.com. You will need an account and an application. You will also need a phone number to place calls to the phone network. Then you can add the scenario code we'll review next. Finally, create a routing rule. Guides on these steps are in the description. Let's take a look at the JavaScript scenario code. This agent notifies users of new Voximplant posts and can answer questions about the company based on knowledge base documents we previously uploaded. The app event started event kicks off a call to the destination number provided in the data passed to the script. When we get the call event's connected event, we trigger the Grok connection. When Grok is connected, we send it a session object via session update to define our agent. You can see here that we are using Xsearch and file search. We made some functions for forwarding the call to an agent and hanging up. Once the session is updated, we play an initial greeting for the user. Note, we implement barge-in by clearing the Grok Voice Agent media buffer whenever the user speaks. The last couple of events listeners handle our custom function calls. Finally, we list other events for reference. Now let's give this a try. Usually you would use our management API or server SDKs to initiate outbound calls. For quick testing, you can also initiate the call from the management console. We just need to give it a JSON object with the destination number and the phone number we will call with.
Hello, this is Voxy, your Voximplant post alert assistant.
Yeah, what's the post?
The latest post from our CEO, Alexey Ailerov, is about the completed XAI Grok Voice Agent API integration in Voximplant. It's working great and coming to all developers after the holidays.
Great. Can you tell me about Voximplant?
That's how you can make outbound calls with Grok Voice Agent and Voximplant. See the description for links to more details.